Hello everyone. As you can see the beauty, the nature, we are at the foothill of Kaligadu mountain. So we had a wonderful time out there at hilltop, and we could enjoy this nature only because we were able to take the right decision. We were able to have the skill set and the mindset. So we could climb up and enjoy, took the time out, enjoy the nature. As you can see in the background, I'd like to encourage each and every one of you. Ask yourself a simple question. Do you have the right mindset? Do you have the right skill set with you? And do you take the right decision in order to develop, in order to see yourself at the position that you desire to see yourself? You need to have the right decision, you need to have the right mindset and skill set. When it comes to your development, I could say that communication skill plays the vital role in today's world. If you have the communication skills with you, the fluency level, then you can reach at any place that you want to be. You can be a job seeker, you can be a student, you can be a job holder. In order to make sure that you have the right communication skills to see yourself at the better position. So the community of ODCH, offer you a wonderful platform where we make sure that we help you out with an excellent communication skills with the fail-proof method. We call it MST, mindset, skill set, and tool set. By using this fail-proof method, hundreds of learners have already got the benefit. So why are you waiting for? If you want the position, if you want to crack your interview, if you want promotion in your job, please join us. Be a part of this community where we can encounter, witness life transforming stories with the help of MST method. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.